Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a password for your Canva account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Canva. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Canva. Click on canva.com. Wait for that to load. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now click on the top right corner. Go to settings. We now want to create a password for our account. When we first created the Canva account, we were not required to create the account with a password. However, we can do this within the account settings. So let's now click on login and security. To add a password to your account for the first time, you will need to use the password reset page so we can verify the identity. That's okay. Password reset page. Click on this. Now it says forgotten your password. Don't worry, we'll send you a message to help you reset your password. You can use your email or mobile number. Let's now use the email address that was used to create the account. So that's rayhan@computersciencevideos.com. Click on this. Let us know it's you. Last step to secure your account, enter the code that was sent to your inbox. Let me do that now. We can now start to create the password. So I'll just use a password from LastPass to generate a brand new password. Let us now click on set password. We can now click on continue with email. Continue. Use this password. Click on login. And there we have it. We have now logged into the account. Let's now save Canva to LastPass. And there we go, all set. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.